Alright, how's everybody doing today? It's your boy E, and we back again with another video. And today, I got something really special for you guys. But first, before I flip the camera around and we get into this, I want to send a big thank you out to Fantaseal for making this video possible. For those of you who don't know, Fantaseal specializes in making products like smartphone accessories, kitchen stuff, all that good stuff here. So today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Fantaseal grip and smartphone stabilizer mount. And again, big thanks to Fantaseal for making this video possible. So without further ado, let's spin the camera around and let's get into this box. Let's go, y'all. Alright, you guys and gals, so I got the camera turned around and let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. So first of all, going over the package here, I gotta say I really like it. It's very clean, simple, and straightforward. So you can see on the front here, we have just the logo, so it just says Fantaseal. And then we have their slogan, which is Make It Different. And then you can see we got some barcode information, just letting you know what's in here. Flipping it over to the side, you can see that this particular grip and stabilizer smartphone mount comes in a bunch of different colors. So in particular, it comes in black, blue, red, green, and orange. And the one that I believe I have for you guys and gals today is the black one. Alright, then flipping it over to the back, you can see we just got some more information here about Fantaseal, the company. And we got a barcode scanner here, so you can just scan that and it'll take you directly to their website. And you can see down below you have their website as well. So that's www.fantaseal.com, and then their slogan again. And then on this side we just have all the colors repeated. So as I said, really nice packaging, very simple, very clean, and very straightforward. Now, cracking the box, let's get in here. So you guys can see we have a nice little carrying pouch with a microfiber cleaning cloth, both of which look like they are company branded. We're going to get back to this in a second. Then we have the smartphone mount portion here. Really good stuff indeed. Put that down right there. Then we got just a little, just a little keychain slip here that looks like it attaches to the bottom of the grip stabilizer portion. So really nice. I'm going to attach that in a second. And then right here we have the grip. So let's get this out the plastic. Alright. So, ooh, yes. Alright. And then let's keep it moving. Nothing else in the box. So we're going to put the box off to the side. Now let's go over everything that came in the package. So we got the grip here. Really nice grip. Nice place to put your hands. Put that down. Then we got the smartphone mount portion. And then this is similar to another mount that I reviewed on the channel. So you can see you put your smartphone in and you can really adjust it any way you would like. So you could take landscape style videos and photos, or you could take portrait style videos and photos, and this is fully adjustable, so it should fit any size smartphone here. Alright, so that's really nice. And just so y'all see, tighten this up. All y'all have to do here is take the mount and screw it on. So let's screw that on real quickly. Alright. Alright, get this going. Actually, I think I screwed that on backwards. Yep, and then you get it on, and then you can tighten it from here, because you see we got a little knob. So you just tighten it with the knob, and now it's in place. So this is how it looks when it's all together. And then, again, just have our little keychain portion that goes on the bottom here. So again, you just screw this in. Alright. And you are in business. Alright. So now you can use this with your smartphone. Any size smartphone. Now I have to adjust the strap. I'll probably do it off camera. But this is how everything looks when it's all together. And I could tell y'all off the bat, first impressions, I really like this. Now let's go over everything else that comes in the package. So, as I said earlier, got a nice little microfiber cleaning cloth. Okay. And then we got a nice carrying pouch, which is pretty big and has some nice company branding on it, so really good stuff. Alright. Push that off to the side. So coming back to this, the grip and the smartphone mount stabilizer, I have to say that this is really good. First impressions, I really like the feel in the hand. I think I'm going to be able to get a lot of good shots with this and take a lot of good photos. And I got to tell you guys, I really like this portion, because not only do I have that strap so I don't lose it, but if I unscrew this, you can see we have a mounting thread here. So I can mount this on my Manfrotto tripod. I can mount it on my regular tripod and, you know, get a little bit more length if I need that, or add a little bit more stabilization if I need that. So this is really nice right here. Anyways, this has been my unboxing and first impressions again of the Fantaseal grip and smartphone mount stabilizer. And again, big shout out and big thanks to Fantaseal for making this video possible. Now, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you'd like to see more raw, uncut videos like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so y'all get notified when I post new videos. As always, if this video piqued your guys' interest and you're interested in picking this guy up, all links to where y'all can purchase this will be located down below in the video description. So down below in the video description is going to be like a one-stop shop for you guys, and you should be good to go. The full review on this mount and stabilizer should take me probably no more than a week from the posting of this video, and I'm pretty much going to use it with all of my smartphones. I may come out with camera samples for you guys to check out, and then we'll be back with the full review. So that should take me probably no more than a week. So y'all be on the lookout for the full review. And as always, if you guys and gals know anyone out there looking for the best performing devices and products at the cheapest possible prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. That being said, this whole video was recorded using the 13 megapixel rear facing primary camera on the Moto E4 Plus at 720p resolution at 30 frames a second. So please let me know how the overall video quality looks, and please let me know how the overall audio sounds, because there is no external mic hooked up here. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everybody.